What's up, you guys? My name is Sarah and I wanted to do a first impression on the Revlon One-Step Dryer brush, and I already applied my regular products plus my heat protectant, which is a part of what I regularly use. I highly recommend it. So just to get into the specs of the brush, there's an off, cool, low, and high temperature settings. It's like a paddle brush, which is really cool.
Oh my God!
It's loud. And it has the swivel power cord, so that's really good. I'm gonna dampen my hair up a little because people say it works better on damp hair. And just to make sure that my hair's tangled, I'm gonna go through with my wide tooth comb.
A few inches later.
Gently. Not even a few minutes into using it, you can see I'm already struggling to get it through my ends. Oh, I kind of like it on low. To me, the low temperature setting was actually hot, so I was skeptical moving up to high heat. This is kind of crazy. I was scared because I'm not used to using paddle brushes. I learned very quickly that using this dryer on low isn't very effective because it tends to tug on your hair and you have to use a lot more passes. For the rest of the video, I'm going to be just doing my hair. So I decided to start off with low heat and then go up to high heat for the remainder of the video. I don't realize how many faces I make when I'm doing my hair, so please excuse that. The air from the blow dryer gets extremely hot at times. Even when you're touching your own hair, it hurts. And as you can see, there's smoke coming from my hair because of the heat protectant and from spraying it. For me, it didn't really matter how big or small the sections were because the dryer was able to get through either way. What's up, guys? I'm back. I did the rest off camera and these are my results. I guess it's pretty good for my first time. I don't see myself really using the brush because I don't really like to lose a lot of hair. But this is my hair. I'll probably do a ponytail the first day and then maybe do like a braid out or something because I just want to protect my ends, and I'm just glad I tried it, but it's not necessarily for me. I hope my video could help you. Comment down below your thoughts on how my hair looks, if you would try it, if I helped you, if I didn't, and see you in my next video.